Hey, welcome to Visual Dev. Today we are diving into useState, one of React's most essential hooks. And to truly get it, we need to understand two key ideas, the virtual DOM and the real DOM. React feels instant, but have you ever wondered exactly why? Here is a simple useState hook. We initialize our counter at 0. When we call setCounter with 1, React does not touch the real DOM straight away, and that is the key insight. Instead, React builds a fresh virtual DOM snapshot and lays it next to the previous one. This is called diffing. React spots exactly what changed, just this one counter value. Instead of repainting everything, React pushes only the precise change down to the real DOM. And that is why React feels so fast. It avoids unnecessary work by being surgical about updates. So what React concept do you want to explore next? Drop it in the comments, and if this clicked for you, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a drop. See you in the next one.